A lot of patients ask us which is better for slip disc surgery, endoscopic or microscopic. So the answer is simple here. These days, with the use of advanced microscope or with the use of a good quality endoscope, we are able to give equally good results in both the procedures. Patients specifically ask us about the incision size, the muscle cutting, the bone cutting, the rehabilitation part. So the answer is, when we are using an advanced microscope or a good quality endoscope, the incision size is almost the same. However, in endoscopy, the incision is slightly smaller as compared to the microscopic procedure. Muscle cutting, bone cutting is almost the same, because these days when we are using an advanced microscope, we just make a bone window which is almost equal to that we make in an endoscopic procedure. So bone cutting is almost the same. Muscle cutting is almost the same, because we use a special type of retractor these days, so that the muscle on one side is just split and not cut exactly. Similarly, the rehabilitation part is almost the same, because if we operate a patient in the morning, say at 8 AM using endoscope or microscope, we normally discharge the patient in the evening. Patient is able to stand and walk, do everything. Patient is even able to climb stairs. Either we do by endoscopy or microscopy, that doesn't matter. Also, the post-operative rehabilitation part is same for both. The need for post-operative pain medicines or antibiotics is almost the same, not required for more than 3 days. So when everything is same in endoscopy and microscopy, that is because you have a good quality endoscope or a microscope with you. The rehabilitation part or the bone cutting or the tissue cutting remains almost the same. So don't worry whether you want to go for endoscopic surgery or microscopic surgery. If your center is having a good endoscope or microscope, results are going to be the same. Only difference is, when we are seeing in an endoscope, we see it on a large TV screen or a screen that on which the tissues are displayed. Similarly, when we are using a microscope, we use an eyepiece which the surgeon puts over his eyes so that he is able to see what is happening inside. So if you are going to a center having good microscope or good endoscope, don't worry, your post-operative result will be the same. Thank you.